this era, where precision defines the future, great ideas demand manufacturing without compromise. Since its establishment in 1998, Hanstar has been rooted in Shenzhen, the renowned manufacturing city of China, specializing in CNC machining, die casting, injection molding, and sheet metal fabrication. Through technological innovation and specialized development, Hanstar has been recognized with multiple authoritative certifications, including National High-Tech Enterprise and SRDI. We have also obtained international and industry management system certifications, such as ISO 9001-2015, IATF 16949, AS 9100, ISO 13485, and GJB 9001C 2017. Hanstar has established a fully imported CNC precision machining system to empower high-end manufacturing. Utilizing the world-leading 5-axis brand Hermli CNC machining centers from Germany, we achieve a perfect integration of a 1.2-meter large stroke, 30,000 RPM capability, and 5-axis mill turn capabilities, achieving an accuracy of up to plus or minus 0.002 millimeters. Complemented by top-tier equipment such as Japanese FANUC 3 to 4-axis CNC machining centers and Okuma CNC lathes. Our capabilities serve precision component manufacturing across aerospace, defense communication, medical, automotive, and optical industries. Our die casting workshop has introduced equipment such as hot chamber and cold chamber die casting machines, enabling us to meet the production demands for various types of die cast components. The injection molding workshop is equipped with high-end machinery, including FANUC precision injection molding machines, offering services in product design optimization, mold manufacturing, and mass production injection molding. We enforce absolute quality control, size CMM, high-precision absolute arms, and a full suite of Japanese Mitutoyo inspection equipment, thereby achieving our philosophy: manufacturing is verification. We have established 3 major business divisions focused on the final inspection, certification reporting, and shipment of customer orders, ensuring precise delivery through a traceable, closed-loop service. Driven by technological innovation, we consistently uphold our commitment to delivering efficient and professional services to our clients. From prototyping to mass production, our products are exported worldwide, and we have established long-term partnerships with renowned companies across multiple, including Joby Aviation, Land Rover, Zero Avia, Figure AI, Siemens Healthineers, and others. We continue to expand our global service footprint. We are leveraging our position as a leader in China's precision manufacturing to relentlessly pursue our goal of becoming a top-tier, high-precision manufacturer. Our intensive equipment upgrade strategy, investing 60% in injection molding and die casting and 40% in CNC, is not just an investment in ourselves, but a driving force, injecting robust momentum into the entire high-end manufacturing ecosystem. Mastering the microscopic, crafting the exceptional, Hanstar